Subscribe my channel and don't forget to tap the bell icon.
Hey guys, it's me G from Jesus Text. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Android camera as a webcam for your PC. First of all, install Droid Cam for your Android device and Droid Client for your PC. The download link is in the description. Check it out and connect both devices into the same Wi-Fi network. It will be want to be same. I connected the Wi-Fi network already with this my phone, or you can use any Wi-Fi modem, router, etc. And don't forget to copy your IP address of your Android device into the PC software. You can see it in the application and click start to use your camera as a webcam, Android camera as a webcam. If anyone don't have Wi-Fi adapter for their desktop, they can also connect to the camera with a USB wire by clicking the second option. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please share if anyone need it. Okay, bye guys, see you in the next video. Stay tuned.
I'm an icon, man. My girl